Hello everybody, I'm back once again with another video in which I will have to ask some of the questions to my student of class 10. They will give answer to me one by one whenever I will ask question to them of lesson number 2, acid, base and salt, class 10. So before starting, I would like to introduce in front of me Israel is sitting and beside him Aman is sitting, he is Naved and Saurav is sitting beside me. So it's time to have a start. So my first question is for Israel. So Israel, you just have to say any acid name which is a strong acid
Sir, HCl, hydrochloric acid.
and define acid.
Define as, sir, which substance is sour in taste and have H positive ions and convert blue litmus paper into red.
Okay, that's amazing. So now my second question is for Aman. Aman, you just have to say any base name. Okay.
Any baseline.
Okay, that's okay. So would you like to try Naved?
KOH, potassium hydroxide.
Okay, that's amazing. So now my next question is for Saurav. Say the name of any one natural indicator.
Turmeric.
Okay, it is natural indicator.
Yes.
Say another indicator which is natural.
No.
Don't know. Yes. Say the name of any other natural indicator.
Litmus paper.
Fine. My next question is for Saurav. Saurav, you just have to say the name of acid present in spinach.
Spinach. Oxalic acid.
Okay, that's pH range of rainwater.
5.6 below.
Okay. So wait, you just have to say when we add strong acid and weak base together, so we know that it forms salt. So which type of salt it forms?
Neutral salt.
Okay, that's amazing. Aman, it's your turn. Now you have to say any one olfactory indicator.
Onion.
Okay, that's good. Now Saurav is your turn. You just have to say the acid name which present in our stomach. Name acid and also its symbolically form symbol.
Hydrochloric acid at HCl.
Okay. Which type of acid we known as for the dilute acid?
Dilute dilute वो एसिड होता है जिसमें वाटर की मात्रा ज़्यादा होती है और एसिड इसमें कम होता है.
Okay, that's amazing. H2SO4.
H2SO4. Hydrosulfate acid.
Hydrosulfuric. Okay, is right. What do you have to say?
सर, सल्फ्यूरिक एसिड.
Sulfuric acid. That's amazing. Name of any one olfactory indicator.
What?
Name of one olfactory indicator.
Okay, indicator.
Yes, Saurabh.
Vanilla.
Vanilla is the
Olfactory indicator.
okay. That's fine. Say one artificial indicator.
Pole.
Name of one artificial indicator. You just have to.
सर, लिटमस पेपर.
Litmus paper is not artificial.
तो सर उसका आ जाएगा.
Okay, let's try. Do you want to try?
Methyl orange.
Methyl orange. It is right.
Yes.
What do you think? Methyl orange or methyl orange?
मिथाइल ऑरेंज.
Okay. So define neutralization reaction.
Define neutralization reaction. A type of reaction, acid and base quantity are same. That reaction is called neutralization reaction.
That's good. Now, like I have done all the question. Okay, let's laugh. Okay.